Happy Independence Day. So today we celebrate the independence, the courage of men and women of this country. And I remember back when I was in Indonesia, when I was young, in Indonesia, America has always the voice of it's always a trendsetter, the innovation. I remember growing up watching on the news back in Indonesia about the American on the moon, walk on the moon and stuff like that. So America always be a representative, always a symbol of courage, innovation, change, leading edge. So today, July 4th, 2018, here at our team, we celebrate, we embrace the independence of the country. This country stands for freedom, which freedom we are not entitled to. It's something that we have to win. That means we have to fight for it every day. It's a fight. It's on to preserve the freedom. Then also it's about innovation. Here in our team, we talk about change, embrace and drive change. Is because we're always on that leading edge of technology, of change, just like the foundation of our country. So today is a very special day here from everybody in our team. We celebrate this Independence Day, and of course, in addition to having fun with your family, barbecue and stuff, we just want to take a moment to reflect on what it means to celebrate Independence Day. As one of the statesmen says, don't ask what the country can do for you, but ask, what can we do for the country? Here in our team, we always ask, what can we do to serve the community? There are 4 people in our team that we serve. Our mission here at Titanium Real Estate Network, Team New Vision, is to elevate people's life. The 4 groups of people that we serve, we are here to serve the clients. We are here to serve each other, love and care each other in the teams. The 3rd group is our vendors, partners, and the 4th is the community in general. We are here, we are being placed to put here in the greatest country on planet Earth. Every day as our team members come here to the office, we always ask, what can we do to serve you? What can we do to empower you? We always talk about second mile service. What can we do? How can we wow you? What can we do to serve you and to make today this experience of buying and selling home a greatest experience for you and your family?
To all Americans, happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. This is a big celebration today.
Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day to all American families.
Hi, happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, guys. Hope you have a good day. Be safe with all your fireworks.